Hey everyone, how's it going today? For today's fun video, I'm going to show you how to make another piece of food, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw lasagna. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our lasagna, let's begin by drawing a little line that's just going to curve up, and we're just going to make it kind of bumpy and wavy, and it's going to come over to here and down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line, and this line is just going to be kind of long and wavy, so we can make it look like there's a bunch of melted cheese on top. So we're just going to make it kind of long and bumpy. You can make this look however you want to. Next, I'm going to draw some different layers of both meat and sauce, and then some of the noodles. So let's start with the meat and sauce. I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make some kind of bumpy little lines that go right to here. Then I'm going to draw a couple here, and then I'm going to make some more on this side. Now I'm going to draw the noodles. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. We're going to come down. I'm going to make them a little bit wavy on here, and then they're going to go up and then over. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw some more bumpy lines. We'll go down, and then we will bring this all the way across and up. Then I'll draw a little line that's going to go out. I'll make it kind of wavy and bumpy for that noodle. Then we'll go up and in. We'll make some more of that meat and sauce. We'll draw another little kind of bumpy line over here. Then for the noodle, we'll go out, we'll go down, and we'll make another wavy line that comes over to here. We'll go up and then connect. We'll do one more layer of the meat and sauce, another bumpy line all the way to here. And then we'll end it with a noodle. We'll draw a line that goes out, we'll go down, and then we'll make it nice and wavy. We'll go up and then in. Now, starting down here, I want to make it look like there's lots of spaghetti sauce coming out of here. So I'm going to begin here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go out, and we're going to go in, and we're just going to go out and in all the way around here, just in some different kind of crazy ways. There's no right or wrong way to do this. I just kind of made it really wavy and bumpy, so it looks like there's kind of tomato sauce running all over the place. Now, starting up top, I want to draw a couple different things. So first, I'm going to make kind of like a bumpy line, very similar to this, but I'm going to make it go up and then down, so it looks like there's like some Parmesan cheese on here. So I'm going to make just kind of like a bumpy kind of line that goes up and down. So it looks like there's a lot of Parmesan cheese on top. Then I'm going to put a little kind of detail on top with like some little basil leaves. So to do this, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up and out like this. And then a little line that's just going to curve down. Then I'll make another one that's just going to go up and then down. And I'll draw a little line right down the kind of center of it. Now, I want to put a funny little face on here. So to do this, I'm going to make a circle for an eye over here. I'm going to leave some space, and I'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to draw another circle inside each eye. And I'm going to color this in, but I'm going to leave just a little bit white on here. Let's do the same thing here, just going to leave a little bit white. Starting here, let's make a long smiley face. And I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then down for its tongue with a little line in the middle. And there you go, there is your drawing of some lasagna. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.